Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Pearl Applicator is probably one of the most versatile and time-saving tools for anyone looking to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to their clothing and accessories, allowing for precise and effortless placement of pearls onto fabric, making intricate designs and embellishments a breeze for both DIY enthusiasts and professional designers alike. Number 5. Tecunite 2000 PCS Flat Back Rhinestones. Introducing the Tecunite 2000 PCS Flat Back Rhinestone Set. Get ready to add dazzling brilliance to all your creative projects. This complete set includes 2000 clear rhinestones in 6 different sizes, along with a tweezer and a picking pen for easy application. Everything you need is right here. Our professional pickup tools, a black tweezer and a gem picker, ensure precise placement without any mess. Achieve intricate designs on any surface with ease. Find the perfect size for any project with 6 different sizes, ranging from 1.5 mm to 6 mm, all neatly organized in a 12-grid compartment box. Keep your rhinestones tidy and ready to use. Crafted from real glass with multifaceted cuts, these rhinestones offer a brilliant shine that resists yellowing and scratching. They are designed to stick firmly to various materials. From nail art and phone cases to clothing and crafts, the possibilities are endless. These versatile gems are perfect for adding a personal touch to weddings, accessories, and more. What we like? This set offers a massive quantity of rhinestones in various sizes, perfect for extensive projects. If you're looking to bedazzle multiple items or have a large DIY project in mind, this comprehensive kit with included tools is an excellent choice. What people say. The applicator is easy to use and works well for attaching pearls to fabric. It comes with a good selection of pearl sizes, making it versatile for different projects. Number 4. Quick Crystals Pro Hotfix Applicator. Introducing the Quick Crystals Pro Hotfix Applicator, your ultimate tool for adding sparkle to any project. This versatile kit makes embellishing effortless and fun. Inside, you'll find everything required to get started, including a generous supply of 4,400 rhinestones. No need to search for accessories, they're all here. Achieve perfect placement every time with 7 different tip sizes. This allows for intricate designs and precise application on various fabrics and surfaces. Designed for convenience, it comes with tweezers for easy handling and a cleaning brush to maintain its performance. Get ready to create stunning designs with ease. Elevate your DIY projects, fashion, and accessories with dazzling Hotfix rhinestones. This kit empowers you to bring your most creative visions to life. Experience professional quality results without the hassle. The Quick Crystals Pro is perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters looking to add that extra flair. What we like? This kit is designed for those who want a professional and efficient way to apply Hotfix rhinestones. With multiple tip sizes and a large quantity of stones, it's ideal for crafters who frequently work with heat-activated embellishments and want precise application. What people say. The applicator is easy to use and works well for attaching pearls to fabric. It comes with a good selection of pearl sizes, making it versatile for different projects. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, even during extended use. Number 3. ASTARON 50G Mix Rhinestones Half Pearls. Introducing our dazzling mix of rhinestones and half pearls from ASTARON. Get ready to add a touch of glamour to all your crafts. Each pack contains 50 G of mixed flatback pearls and rhinestones, plus a handy pair of tweezers and a point drill pen to help you create. Crafted from lightweight resin with a beautiful, smooth finish, these come in sizes from 3 mm to 10 mm to suit any project. Perfect for decorating phone cases, tumblers, nails, clothes, bags, and so much more. Let your imagination run wild. Just clean your surface, apply glue, and adhere these flatback gems anywhere you desire for an exquisite look. Make personalized gifts for any occasion, or enjoy a fun DIY session with loved ones, creating beautiful, unique decorations together. What we like? If you love adding a touch of elegance with both pearls and rhinestones, this mixed set is for you. Its variety in size and the inclusion of half pearls make it perfect for unique designs on tumblers, nails, or accessories where a sophisticated shimmer is desired. What people say. The applicator is easy to use and works well for attaching pearls to fabric. It comes with a good selection of pearl sizes, making it versatile for different projects. The pearl stays securely in place after application, which is great for durability. Number 2. ESSEELOVE Hotfix Applicator Bedazzler Kit. Discover the ESSEELOVE Hotfix Applicator, your all-in-one solution for adding sparkle to any project. This kit makes DIY embellishment easy and fun. From clothing and accessories to paper crafts, this tool lets you apply dazzling rhinestones wherever you want. Personalize your favorite items with ease. You'll receive a stunning 4,536 pieces of Hotfix rhinestones in various sizes and colors, including clear, AB crystal, and 12 vibrant multicolors. They are neatly organized for your convenience. This complete kit comes with the Hotfix applicator, multiple tips, gem pickers, tweezers, a brush, trays, and a stand. It's truly a comprehensive bedazzler set. Get started right away with the included step-by-step manual. We've also provided special tools to help you pick up and place the rhinestones precisely. The applicator heats up in just 2 minutes, and the high-quality rhinestones have a flat back with adhesive ready for heat application. Achieve professional results effortlessly. What we like? This is a fantastic all-in-one Hotfix kit for those who want a wide range of options. With a huge number of rhinestones in various colors and sizes, plus all the necessary tools, it's perfect for anyone wanting to add vibrant and diverse embellishments to clothing, shoes, or crafts. What people say? It is very easy to use and the beads are well attached. It is a very useful tool for decorating clothes. It works perfectly and the beads are very well fixed. Number 1. Silicone Face Mask Brush Set. Introducing our set of silicone mask brushes, designed for a smooth and even application of your favorite masks. Their soft texture ensures a comfortable experience every time. Say goodbye to messy fingers. These tools provide a hygienic way to apply masks and lotions. Plus, they are incredibly easy to clean, making your beauty routine simpler. Perfect for applying mud masks, lotions, or body butters. Their versatile design makes them an essential addition to your skincare and body care collection. Crafted from soft silicone, these applicators are gentle on your skin and hairless, preventing any irritation. Enjoy a seamless application without any shedding. Add a touch of style to your beauty routine with these brushes in lovely pastel colors. They look as good as they perform, making application a pleasure. Made to last, these silicone brushes are durable and reusable. They offer a sustainable and effective solution for all your beauty application needs. What we like? This product is not for applying rhinestones but for applying masks or lotions. If you're looking for a hygienic and smooth way to apply beauty products like mud masks or lotions to your face and body, these silicone brushes are a great choice due to their easy application and cleaning. What people say? The applicator is easy to use and works well for attaching pearls to fabric. It comes with a good selection of pearl sizes, making it versatile for different projects. The tool is sturdy and feels like it will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.